Hi there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will let you know about how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 11. So let's get started. It's a very simple thing to do. First of all, you need to search on your touch bar for the settings. Just search for it and go to the settings. After going to the settings, you will see an option called apps. Just go to the apps, and from here you need to go to the default apps section. Alright, after the load of this application, from here you need to search Google Chrome. As you can see, here is the Google Chrome. You need to tap on this arrow key right over here. Just tap on it. And from here, you can make Google Chrome your default browser. So you can just simply tap on the default, set default, and you are good to go. But if you don't want to make your Google Chrome as your default browser, but you want a specific extension to be opened with the Google Chrome, then you can just simply select this. Like if you want to open up the PDF files with the Google Chrome, like any other extension, then what you need to do, you need to tap on this icon right over here and then select the Google Chrome. Then tap on the set default. And now if you want to open up any of the PDF files, then you can simply just double tap on it and it will be opened with the Google Chrome. Rather than that, if you want to select the Google Chrome as your default browser, then just simply tap on this select default and it will be changed as the Google Chrome. So that's how you can set your Google Chrome as default browser, which can replace Microsoft Edge with Google Chrome. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a great day.